Hi, based on countless hours of research and comparisons, we selected the best products available in this year. When we prepared this top list, we reviewed several products. We analyzed the features, performance, and the value for money of each and every model, and read many reviews from customers too. Watch this video about the best models of this year and make sure to check the products links below. Sit back and enjoy.
Busy has become a new way of living, so we invented a smarter way of cleaning. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with smart tech sensing features. AutoSense helps you power through your cleaning by automatically adjusting suction from bare floors to thick carpet, so you get more power when you need it and longer battery life too. Battery Sense shows you how much battery remains, so you know how much longer you can clean before you need to recharge. And Filter Sense alerts you when it's time to clean the filter, so you continue to get maximum performance. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech is super convenient for those hard-to-reach spots and those easy-to-miss places. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can move from room to room without the hassle of a cord. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech sensing features is affordable and now available at your favorite stores. Clean smarter, not harder.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them.
My cleaning day? It should be every day.
What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Linx cordless stick vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Linx cordless stick vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.